Wednesday, September 3rd, 2025. Saint Gregory the Great. Focus. Immediately she rose and began to serve them. Simon's mother-in-law, after being healed of her illness, did not take the time to rest or even enjoy the sensation of being healed. She immediately began to serve others. Would she have been wrong to rest a while? No. Yet, she chose to step out of her comfort zone and serve. Today's saint, Pope Gregory I, was an extraordinary example of service, particularly to the poor and needy. His papacy extended to times of great trouble, famine, and the plague. Gregory, like Simon's mother-in-law, chose to serve rather than stay in the Pope's comfort zone. Though he was one to carry out great reforms in the church, revising the liturgy, including the music, he did not limit himself to the church. Rather, he used the administrative authority that then popes possessed to bring relief to the poor and needy in times of distress. He set up an organized system of charity where donations to the church could be distributed to those in need. Pope Francis was another such caring pope. What is service to me? Among the people in my family and society, whom do I choose to serve? Or am I advertently committing a sin of omission by not serving at all? Fruit. Jesus himself chose not to be served, but to serve. Today, I will follow my Lord's example and serve someone outside my comfort zone.